Hello and welcome. This is a video I've been wanting to make for quite some time to explain the difference between the Cartier Santos Carrée and Cartier Santos Galbee or Galbée. Um, because there's often a lot of confusion and all of that. Won't make it too long. So basically, this one is the original Cartier Santos Carrée automatic. This is the model that got introduced in 1978, the first ever Santos. Then this one is a Santos Galbee. Well, people say Galbee in English, but it's actually Galbée because it's French, just like the Carré. Um, and Galbée is French for curved, and Carré is French for square or squared. And that's basically where the name comes from. This one, Carré, because it's a very, very square design. Obviously, not only the general design, which is also copied in the, well, taken over in the Galbee, because this is the second evolution. Um, but yeah, this one, the blockiness, you notice it on the lugs. Here, the lugs is a separate plane. Like you've got one plane and then the lugs are just angular. And then on the back, it's also very angular with straight sides. There's no really bent lines. Then on the Galbée, however, it's just one full bend. So you start from here and then it's just basically one bended surface. If you want to compare the Galbee and the Carré, well, many people still get them wrong all the time. This is for the vintage ones, because this one is from 1984, this one is from the 1990s. The Galbée got introduced in 1987, and the Carré was still in production up until the 2000s something, because this Galbée only came in quartz. So as you can see, this one is sticking while this one is sweeping. The Carré is always automatic. Meanwhile, this one is always quartz. You do have Galbée that are automatic nowadays as well, but those are the newer models from after the 2000s. But these ones, you can tell quartz. There you see it, quartz. And also very flat case. This one obviously is a bit thicker because it needs to house the automatic movement, and automatic movements are generally a bit thicker, especially because this was based on an ETA and has a sapphire crystal, which always makes things a bit fatter, especially with date and center seconds. And of course, they also wanted to make this waterproof, so needs some thickness. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Basically, if it's a bit blocky or if it's automatic and from the 80s or 90s, usually Carré, well, it's always Carré. And this one is the Galbée. So no need to look for it anymore because, well, it's pretty difficult to find the information. Cartier doesn't really give it out handily either. But yeah, there you go. Hope you can learn something from this.